Taking a look at LTC USD right now, 138.80, 83. It's moving right now. You guys are dropping through a little bit though. Fell below this support level that was really watching right there around that 173.45, right there around that 10-day simple moving average, which is currently live. 173.55 starting to move through. I do want to point out right now though, you guys are breaking through that level of support that I was watching around that 141, still fluctuating around it. Let's see how this one closes out the next 24 hours or so. But as of right now, you guys did fall through that support at that 141 even. The next major level of support that I'm seeing here based off of the candles over here on the beginning of December of 2017, the next major level is going to be around that 127. And then most importantly, that 120 is going to be a must-hold area, in my personal opinion, because off of that, you guys do have that big candle, and your next level of support wouldn't be down until around the 105 area. So we're going to be watching for a possible bounce here in this, because obviously you guys know, especially if you guys follow all my video charts that I do, you guys do know that watch is lower boundary band. Look at what happens there. Boom, you guys get a nice bounce off of it. You guys come back over here, get outside of it. At least you guys got some sideways action with a little bit of a bounce from that 190 to that 209 area, but just couldn't get above that 10-day simple moving average, following that red line down. That's exactly where that 10-day simple moving average currently is right now. You guys got above it slightly back on January 28th and 29th, and unfortunately pushed you guys back down to where you guys are currently at right now. Those are going to be the levels that we're watching for. To get back above 209, that would be a bullish reversal break of that 209, but as well, keep in mind your 141.80 as of right now, so you guys are slightly above that support level again, which is good, right? But that 209 is what you're going to need to get back into that bullish territory. Reversal area could break out from there, and then 240 and so on from there. Then I see another one around that 280 and then 320 and so on. So we're going to continue to watch this one as we move forward. Let me go ahead and add in my notes here as well. And that's going to be for 2-1 for today's current date, 141.40 for the current price. Resistance levels, I'm going to put in here at 158.50, 173.45, 190 even, and then 209 even. Support 141. We just talked about this a second ago. 141, 127, and then 120 must hold, in my opinion. Watch for a bounce here between the 141 to 127, and again, that break at 209 at that top. That break of 209 at that top would be a bullish reversal. We got to watch for that 141. I would really like to see that 141 hold, but if not, your next level would be 127. That's exactly why I put that in there. So LTC USD, if you guys follow this one, make sure you join investorshangout.com. We would appreciate it. That's where these videos come from. This is where we do the live streams. We cover everything from penny stocks, big boards, to cryptocurrency. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of these kind of videos, make sure you leave a comment below. Let us know. We will be sure to continue to cover LTC USD. Taking a look at BTC USD right now, currently traded at 90.33. You guys are fluctuating quite a bit right now. We're going to continue to watch this one. I did put in all my support and resistance levels. You guys know me with my 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving averages. But right now, something did catch my eye right here between this level here. Okay, so you guys are going to have one big candle here and one big candle down. So obviously, what that would mean here, you know, going through all these charts as much as I do, you guys could rebound off of this fairly quickly to get back up to that 10-day simple moving average again. That's right there around that 10,795 area right there. To get back into the bullish territory, bullish reversal, we would watch for a break of that top at 12,725 rough area right there. You guys are going to have some support levels right now at 9,000, 8,500, and 8,000. That 8,000 down there at that bottom, that is going to be the must hold area because of the fact that even over here on that top, you guys break through that. It looks like the next major level of support would be about that 7,500. So it looks like about 500 drop on each one from there. But again, it looks to about 5-6 solid days here, even more than that, probably about a week straight of a really solid formation around that 8,000. Again, we're going to need to get back above that 12,725. It's a long way off, but to get back in that bullish reversal. But in the short term, what I would be watching for is going to be a bounce off this level as well. Getting to that lower boundary band, I would say between the 9,000 and 8,500, we should see a nice little short rally up, and if it continues, obviously you can keep going higher. So 917 is going to be where we're currently at right now. Resistance level 9,500, 99.50, 10796, 11496, and 12725. Support, again, that 9,000, 8,500, and 8,000. Must hold. Watch for a bounce here, in my opinion, between 9,000 and 8,500. That's what I'd be watching for again on this daily chart here. You guys might be able to get a nice little rally here for a 24-hour period, possibly to bring you guys back into that lower Bollinger Band. But as always, BTC USD, if you guys like this one, make sure that you join investorshangout.com, and also leave a comment below if you'd like to see more of these videos, and if you have a request for any other cryptocurrency or coins that you'd like to see me take a look at, let me know again in the comments below. And investorshangout.com, BTC USD. We're going to continue to track this one. Taking a look at ETH USD right now, 1030 is where you guys are currently traded, falling through that 20-day simple moving average over here on January 28th and 29th. You guys had a really, really nice rally here, especially starting over here on 126, 127, 128. Just a beautiful setup here, even to the point of a possible bullish reversal at that time. But unfortunately, you guys broke through the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average. If I could put this line right through there, that's going to show you kind of where those all tie together. Right now, you guys are resting on a support level that you guys already hit the low of 998. I'm going to go ahead and put 1,000 in there to make that a flat number, which is going to ultimately be that support level anyways, in my personal opinion, although that you dipped slightly below that. But you guys did recover fairly nicely, hitting a little bit of resistance right now between that 1050 and 1100, and then 1150 and 1200 off of that. We need to get back up there above. I would like to see this one back above the 1115 area, give or take, to be above the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving averages again. So again, those are going to be the levels here that we're going to continue to watch for ETH USD. Let's go ahead and put in our numbers here, and that's going to be 1032. Actually, 1033 is where you guys are currently at now. Resistance at 1050, 1100, 1150, and 1200. So every 50, right? And then you guys are going to see the same exact thing for the support at that 1,000 that you guys already hit, and then the 950 to follow up. Must hold a break of 1100 would be bullish. All right, that's what we're going to be watching for. You guys get through that break up there, that 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average, exactly around that 1115, give or take, but 1100, I'm putting on there as that flat number where they kind of all conjoin. But if you guys get back up there to that 1115 area, definitely would be a bullish move here for ETH USD. If you guys follow this one, I definitely encourage you to join investorshangout.com. If you guys are interested in more videos like this and more of the ETH USD, just leave a comment below. If you guys have any other requests, any other cryptocurrencies, or any other coins that you would like to see us cover, you can leave that again in the comments below. I will be sure to add it to my list of tickers and stocks that I do go through. We're going to continue to track this one, watch for that break of 1100, investorshangout.com. Taking a look at GLD USD right now at 1950. So we're going to go ahead and set up our resistance and support levels here. I'm going to go ahead and keep these numbers flat for you. I think it's going to be a little bit easier. 22, 25, 28, 3250. 3250 is going to be that top at that 30-day simple moving average, where you guys are currently at right now, getting very close, actually slightly dropping below as of right now of that 1950. That 1950 is going to be a level of support that I'm going to be watching. I'm going to continue to keep that one in there right now because you guys seem to be fluctuating between the two. And then we're going to want to see that must hold area of 18. All right, so if we go back over here, you guys are going to see why the 18 level is going to be very important here. I would say the next level off of that's going to be that 17. That 17 down there is going to be a level that it's going to be that definitely must hold area. So we'll stick with that 17, but I would definitely want to see a bounce here between the 18 or 1950 and that down there at that 17. Hopefully you guys don't get that low, but you guys should be able to get a bounce here in the short term off of this area. So let's go ahead and put that in here at that 1945 is where you guys are currently at. You guys are going to have that resistance now at that 1950, 22, 25, 28, and then 3250. Support The next big level of support off of this 1950. I'm going to put in there because it is slightly below there. You guys are going to fluctuate it between being a support and resistance. We're going to put that as a support as well right now at that 19, and then the 18, and then the 17 must hold, in my opinion. I'm going to put in the bounce between the 18 to 17. All right, so it should bounce here between that 18 and 17. That's going to be getting down there to that lower Bollinger Band. That lower Bollinger Band's a long way down there, but you guys can see the upper Bollinger Band kind of turning down pretty quick. That 3250 at that top 30-day simple moving average break right there would be definitely a bullish reversal that I would be watching for. Again, for GLD USD, if you guys follow this one, make sure you join investorshangout.com. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see more of these videos. If you have any other requests for any other cryptocurrencies or coins or stocks, let us know. We will be sure to add them to our list during our live streams. GLD, USD, investorshangout.com. Taking a look at TRX USD Tron. This is going to be one that has been requested a lot, so I want to make sure I got to this one today. 04544 is where you guys are currently trading. I am looking at the 30-minute chart right now to kind of give you guys an idea of a breakdown between all these levels and exactly why and how I got to these levels, especially on the daily chart. So again, this is going to be the 30-minute chart coming back down to that 45 as we see this right now, getting to a very low on this one. You guys actually been a little bit lower about a half hour ago when you guys hit that low of 0.4514, and that's exactly why I put that level of support down there around that 45. But based on the chart's history here, especially once we switch over here to the daily, you guys are going to be able to see how this level right here becomes a support and resistance about every 50 cents, or well, every half rather. So 0.6, 0.650, and 0.7 is going to be the levels there, 0.550 and 0.5, and so on. So you guys kind of get an idea there of how this one's been trading. Since it's been trading, it looks to be around January 24th. So let's just jump over to the daily. Again, this is going to be only bringing us back to looks like the 24th of January, right there around that level. So 0.458, that is going to be where you guys are currently at right now, coming down that support level at that 45, 0.450. The next level of support is going to be around that 0.4 even. But again, on the 30-minute chart, what you need to pay attention to is once you get down to that 45 in the short term here, let's watch for a possible bounce. Every time you guys get lower and outside that lower Bollinger Band, you guys do end up getting a pull back into it. And right here, you guys seen that as well. But ultimately, it seems like it's continued dropping. So if history repeats itself, I would watch for a bounce like that between the 45 and around that 44.37 on the 30-minute chart as you roll down that lower Bollinger Band. You see it's starting to kick back up right now, so that's why I'm saying between that 45 and that 0.450. You guys, 0.444 is going to be that other level of that bottom of that Bollinger Band. Now, if we snap back over here to the daily, this is where I'm going to put in my analysis, as I always do with all the charts that I do cover. 2-1 is for today's current date. 0.4548 is where you guys are currently at. Resistance levels right now, 0.5, 0.550, and 0.6 at the top. You guys get it over here as you guys get up there. 7 is going to be a heck of a resistance level, but we'll worry about that once we get back up there. Support levels right now are going to be that 0.450 and that 0.4 must hold. In my opinion, watch for a bounce. 0.450 to 0.440 based on 30-minute chart. Okay, that's what we got to pay attention to. Watch for a bounce between that area, and again, off that 45 would definitely be nice, but between that fluctuations, definitely check out the 30-minute chart as well. TRX USD, like I said, Tron's been requested quite a bit, so I apologize that it took me a while here, but I definitely got to it, and I will continue to cover this one. If this is what you guys want to see, leave a comment below. We would appreciate it, and don't forget to join investorshangout.com. investorshangout.com/live is where we do our live shows, and you request anything from penny stocks, big board stocks, currencies, crypto coins, whatever you can think of. If it has a chart, you guys know us. We will definitely take a look at it. TRX USD.